in the process of making peanut butter chocolate chip pancakes for my boys. Two cups of mix, a cup and a fourth of milk, 1 egg, and then we chose to add in a little peanut butter powder and chocolate chips. Adding in 1 smashed banana,